Allah gave me the Year of Knowledge program when I needed Him the most, and it helped me become a better mother to my children, a wife to my husband, and a better Muslimah towards this ummah.
Seeking Islamic knowledge needs to be a #1 priority for every single Muslim woman out there. And the reason why is the strongest relationship that we have is our relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And just like how a doctor prescribes medication for a patient that's not doing well, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prescribed it upon us to seek knowledge, and not just any knowledge, but beneficial knowledge. And Jannah Institute, I have found, has been the best when it comes to female scholars who knows exactly what we're going through. They have equipped themselves with the skills, with the knowledge they need to be able to teach us in English remotely, literally anywhere around the world. And it would be a very difficult road if we had to do this on our own.
Taking classes through Jannah Institute has been my place of refuge in this world, a preparation for my journey into the next. It has been my rope teaching me and guiding me to be close to my Creator.
There's something about Sheikha Dr. Haifaa's style that is just very practical and speaks straight to your heart. Not to mention the sisterhood that I have gained from being in this program. I had seen a lecture of Dr. Haifaa's online, and then I joined one of the courses of Jannah Institute. I can't say enough about the benefit that I have gotten from this program. I just feel so much more kind of at ease and peace in my life, knowing that I have that steadfastness, that firmness in my faith that I didn't have before. There is so much to be gained from seeking knowledge. And as Dr. Haifaa says, when Allah loves you, He gives you knowledge of His deen. And I can't express how grateful I am to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to Sheikha Haifaa and to all of the other students that I've been learning alongside with, and the team at Jannah Institute for all of the amazing work that they're doing. You know, when you educate a woman, you educate a nation. That's Jannah Institute's one of their taglines, and it's so true.